ボールは大変危険でございます。ボールの行方には
甲子園セットチャレンジ PR 大使の近本浩二です。阪神甲子園球場では使用したプラスチックカップ、ペットボトル、
高校生によるブラスバンドコンサート甲子園ブラスバンドフェスティバル2025を開催。
So as you can see, I am up here, and you know what I think about that? I will take it all day, every day, any day of the week, because I was online for tickets the minute they went on sale. I was basically refreshing the screen for close to an hour. Now this isn't even opening day. This season's been going on for a couple weeks at this point, and it took me nearly an hour to get in to get this ticket that's up here in this upper level along the third base line. And I am happy to be here because I'll tell you what, by the next day, the entire part of the season that had gone on sale had sold out. So in less than one day, every single game that was available, which I think is usually about 1 to 2 months at a time, had sold out. Not like one game, not two, like all of the games in less than a day. So these tickets are always in hugely high demand. So I was gonna take whatever I could get with a smile on my face, and it's been smiling since the minute I walked in here for the tour this morning. So I'm up here, I don't care. I'd even be down on the benches. I'd be happy to do that too, but at least down here, or rather up here, at least I'm in a seat, so I'll take that too, but more views coming. The seating chart here at Hanshin Koshien Stadium can be a little bit confusing. So the number one thing you want to pay attention to in your ticket is the location ID for which tunnel you're going to go in. There's a lot of overlap for seat numbers and row numbers, so it's easy to be confused. I know I was, so pay attention to the markers here at the aisle. That all said, it's still miles easier than navigating the subway there in Nagoya. The stands here are pretty strictly segmented. So you have the left field line, you have the right field line, center field. They all have separate entrances, and then they're all basically blocked off in certain zones. So I'm on the third base line, so I'm able to do pretty much all of third base. The only reason I can do all of the third base line is because I have tickets in the next section over in the normal seats. So because of that, I can get over here, but they can't get over there because they're kind of strict. And you're thinking, how strict are they? They're this strict. So it's interesting. I don't know what the concessions are like in center field or right field. I would expect they're probably pretty similar. And by the way, if you're 6 feet and over, watch your head. only my third outdoor park here in my time in Japan so far. My Eagles game poured like a mother. It was absolutely miserable. Still a ball game, so still happy about it. My second outdoor park was Mazda Zoom Zoom, and yeah, it was great. It was a really nice day, which was a nice surprise, especially after the Eagles game. Today, it's not looking real hot. It's looking like it's going to rain pretty good, and all of a sudden, these undercover seats I've got going on are looking pretty nice. Almost as nice as that spotlight, like right in my face. So I'm going to enjoy being undercover, regardless of what happens with the weather tonight. Rain delay out there, and honestly, I'm surprised it took so long. It is pouring out there, but it's a nice thing again about here. Nice surprise about being undercover is no rain here, although it is breezy. Purr. Swallows Booster Club out there. It's pouring down rain and you're still playing out. You can hear it. For the record, it was raining way harder at that Eagles game when they played the entire thing. It's barely a sprinkle. Okay, it's more than a sprinkle, but it's still wet. One of the specialties in the Osaka area is takoyaki, which are fried octopus balls. Now, come on, let's grow up. Octopus do not have testicles. They're not Rocky Mountain oysters. These are fried balls with octopus in them, as well as other seasoning and things like it. They make them fresh here. They look really good, so I'm going to give it a shot. I've already lost it once with my chopsticks, but here's another go at it. So, I went the deluxe route. 3 different kinds of cheese. I think this is like beef rib meat that's also on here. Gonna find out. Yeah, that's beef. So the octopus ball itself, a little fishier tasting than I expected. I know, what do you expect? Well, It's a little fishier than I expected. It's also a little kind of mushier inside than I expected. I thought it would taste kind of more like those pancake balls, but with octopus in it. And no, not quite so much. Definitely still wanted to try it though. Yeah, it's still pretty fishy, mushy inside, but still happy I tried it. I'm also happy the game's restarting because the rain's dying up. Let's get back and play some more ball. They got the tarp off the field. The players literally just came out onto the field, and within 5 seconds, total downpour, chaos, and everybody is all bolted off, and we're in another delay. It is just a huge downpour. Like, the amount of water that came down in that 30 seconds, infield is just completely drenched. Remember what I said about a downpour? Well, less than a minute, umpire already came out and said, that's it. So, time to go home. On the plus side, I saw a couple innings, ate some food, had a tour earlier. Still counting it. As I was here, I saw some baseball. And, fingers crossed, I'll be back with my wife here in about another week and we'll try it again.